guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of these 4-piece of solar outdoor lights from LUSCREAL. These are 4 individual lights. They come with a solar panel each with built-in battery and a motion sensor, so you can put them on 4 different places, maybe along your path or along a dark wall, everywhere where you need some additional light, some additional safety. So the solar panel is collecting the power stored in the battery, and then when you are approaching the light, it will illuminate for 30 seconds. The area which is covered by the motion sensor is around 28 square feet. It has very wide angle of up to 120 degrees and can cover up to 16 feet. So it doesn't have an always on mode, it doesn't illuminate the whole night, but on the other hand, the positive thing is when it is working with the motion sensor, then they last for much longer time because of the limited illumination duration. So even when you have bad weather or you have to mount it in an area where it has limited sun, there's absolutely no problem. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, mount it outside, and then show you the live performance during the night. And so here's what we get: really large solar lights. All 4 of them come nicely protected, single wrapped. They have also some cover here on the solar panel which you can remove. Really nice shiny solar panel, and then the large LED light and the PIR sensor. We get also screws and anchors for all of the lights. But it's not only about screws and anchors, we get also this pin here that's really important. So to turn it on, we have to push here inside this pinhole, just push in straight, and then you will feel something like a button. So I think I have it here. You can really feel that you can push it inside and then push again and release it. It's like a normal button just inside. And now it should be turned on. And to test it, we can put something on top, so it has the impression that it's dark, and you can see it definitely works. You can see also how bright this is. This is really super bright here inside. I'm happy that I'm behind the camera because it's so bright. And when I move my hand, it is turning on instantly and then illuminating for 30 seconds and turning off then after that to not waste any kind of battery. So I'm going outside, mount them on a fence, and then show you how they are performing. And so I've mounted these lights now outside. It was super easy, it's just 2 screws. I've even used self-drilling screws, so absolutely no drilling needed here on this fence. Looks beautiful, absolutely awesome. And so this is how it looks normally now in my backyard during the night. We have these really nice, beautiful pathway lights. There is some indication where the path is, but there is no real illumination. So if you walk there, you have no idea what's really there, even though it looks beautiful, but you don't feel really safe, especially in the south, where you could have some crazy animals outside. And the thing is also that these pathway lights are not illuminating the whole night, unfortunately. They have just a small solar panel size and they don't have a motion sensors, and so they are running out of battery after a couple of hours, usually at around midnight, and after that there is absolutely no light here in this area anymore. And so after placing these lights, when I walk now along this path, the lights are detecting me and turning on the light, and now it's illuminating everything and makes everything much safer than before. You can see the difference, a huge difference. It looks like almost daylight with this illumination of these 4 very strong lights here. It's absolutely awesome. I mean, the pathway lights are nice, but they don't give really illumination. But with these lights, total different thing. And you can see after 30 seconds, they are starting to turn off one after each other. And so when I walk back, absolutely same thing, one after each other is starting to turn on and give me some really nice illumination. And you can see it also from this side, huge difference. And again after 30 seconds they start to turn off and save energy, so they are ready when I walk along the path next time. So this is absolutely awesome, huge improvement for me regarding comfort and safety and everything, and so I can give you a full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.